So let's talk about peace and unity within the body of Christ. This is important is because wherever there is peace, there is also unity, and vice versa. Wherever there is unity, there is also peace. And if there isn't unity and peace, this will cause confusion, strife, chaos, friendly fire, which will then, as a result, push people away from receiving the gospel, for being open to receive the gospel, because they will start to call us followers and disciples hypocrites. And so once there's unity and peace, this will more than likely open the hearts up to be more receiving to the gospel and what we have to tell them, if this is making sense. So let me put it like this: think of a song that has a catchy beat. That catchy beat is composed of multiple instruments. Stay with me. So this beat has multiple instruments. Take it as us having, yeah, all of us being on one accord, which will then help us to declare the works of the Lord across all nations, if this is making sense. All right, take two. So tying all of this together, once these people see the peace and unity that we have, they will, as a result, start to gravitate towards it, and they want a piece of what we got, and what we got is Jesus. Hope this makes sense.